the nursery admissions in Delhi. All major Delhi school principals and chairpersons are going to be meeting this afternoon seeking legal opinion because they are preparing to challenge the guidelines. Under the new guidelines, the management quota has been scrapped and 25% reservation of the economically weaker sections has been put into place.
Under the new system, the selection will be done on the basis of fixed parameters and points including neighbourhood criteria and sibling study in school. The maximum weightage has been given to neighbourhood criteria for which 70 points have been fixed and it constitutes distance up to 6 kilometers from the schools. The guideline says there will be no management quota in admission to any of the schools. This time 5% seats will be reserved for employees of the school and 5% for the girls in co-educational schools, which will be filled through draw of lots of applicants residing within 6-kilometer area. Now, like other schools, minority schools will also have to reserve 25% seats for economically weaker section category. The admission for the nursery will start from 15th of next month and the last date to submit applications will be 31st.
See, earlier also I had experienced the same because I have my elder daughter and now she's going to Lotus Valley, Noida. So there were rules that 5% weightage was given to baby girl. But none of the schools I got enlisted. My daughter's name was not there. So we had to go all the way to Noida for this. And I don't know for now, earlier it was I think 5 points for neighborhood. So now I think they have increased that. So maybe that does justice for my younger one and I would definitely be grateful if she gets admission in Delhi itself.
Except the one that too many points have been given to neighborhood and nothing for management, the rest of the things are all right. We have been doing that EWS or for the sibling, for alumni, for transfer cases. We have no issues in that. But as such, no seat kept for the management quota, which is going to be really difficult if you really want to oblige or give it to somebody. How do you do it? And for the girl child, there are more points. If the family has, one boy, one girl, say twins, what do we do? Last time I had 4 twins, 1 boy, 1 girl. It's so difficult, how do you adjust them? We adjusted them against management quota.